Caribbean Connections TV.
Tested 1, 2. Tested 1, 2. Are you picking me up? Testing 1, 2. Hey, this is Paradise here, and I have a very exciting person with me, Machel Montana. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Just a little bit tired, but still ready.
Well, you should be tired. You were like working it up there.
I went to Glow last night, finished at 4 o'clock. I got up at 7. I went on the road from 8 this morning till like about 6 this evening.
Yeah.
And I'm here all the way till 4 this morning, so I'm going non-stop.
So what keeps you going?
It's
Love of
Caravana.
music.
It's Caravana. It's Carnival. This is my first time back in Caravana in like 6 years. You know,
6 years?
6 years on the parade,
Yeah.
and I haven't been to Toronto for 2 years to perform. So, you know, it's like an experience to me all over again.
Okay, so what did that feel like performing in front of Torontonians again? Because we love you.
No, this is
Can you feel that?
This is one of my best audiences ever.
Yeah.
You know, I used to come here as a kid, and it feels good to be back again. You know, I see a lot of old faces mixed with a lot of new faces, new people, and that always excites me. I think this is going to be the beginning of a long run again.
Okay, I want to know, and people want to know, what were you like as a kid?
What was I like as a kid?
Are you as bad as you were?
Very quiet, very
Seriously?
quiet. Yeah, I grew up very quiet. I had one brother, and you know, I used to sing at an early age, so people didn't really like me because I sang calypso and soca, and that wasn't the in thing back then. So it was my duty and, you know, my purpose to make them like soca and like calypso and bring my peers into what I do and represent for our culture. So I had a bit of a hard life, you know, working all the time, no weekends to go out with girlfriends. I was always either doing schoolwork or music.
Oh, that really paid off, huh?
Well, you know, good things come to those who wait, and I've been waiting a long time.
I know you have a lot of girls.
I don't know about that. I have a lot of girl fans.
If there's something that your fans don't know about you that you can tell us on Caribbean Connections TV, now think about this, that nobody else knows. This will be good.
I'm super spiritual, you know. I love Hindu religion. I love meditation, mantras. I love silence. You know, Krishna, Shiva. A lot of people don't know that side of me, so that would be something you need to get into.
I believe you. I can see your halo.
Thank you very much.
Okay, what can you say to Indians? Anything you want to say to them? Because they love to hear from you.
I just want to say, Toronto, I miss you, and it feels good to be back. Machel is in the building, and I'm coming back next year for sure.
Wonderful. We love it. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much. Hey, yo, this is Machel Montano HD, and you're locked on CaribbeanConnections.com. #1 in our TV, Toronto. Big up yourself. Hey, hey, ha.